How do we get to net zero emissions and quickly? Buildings result in 30% of our carbon emissions. And India is still growing. It's an opportunity to make our buildings net zero and adapt to climate change. Our students took this problem head on, creating innovative solutions for the people, collaborating with the industry. They have become the young leaders for our net zero future.
The Solar Decathlon India is an important new initiative to train young Indian professionals to address the challenges of climate change, sustainable development, and sustainable production and consumption.
In the first year of the challenge, everybody came together with so much enthusiasm and positive energy.
The way colleges have reacted, the way developer community has reacted, the way people have shown participation and enthusiasm, I think we have got thrice the number of colleges than we anticipated that they will participate.
We provided online self-learning modules where the students learn the principles and get foundational education on the science of net zero buildings.
The self-learning modules have also been useful outside of the competition, I would say. Like, for example, the heat transfer modules, I went through a lot of them. I learned it here, so it definitely helps me out outside of the competition too.
They showed interest because there was so much of knowledge being shared through those self-learning modules, upgrading yourself, revising the concepts, and with the updated technologies.
The software which we are being provided with Design Builder, and we are learning to work with more computer-based systems.
We had a series of webinars that mirrored the topics of the 10 self-learning modules. Expert practitioners showed case studies of their own professional experiences and talked about best practices. We had a technical resource group, or TRG, of 53 individuals. These are young professionals, experts, who provided mentorship over the 9-month challenge.
TRG members have been very helpful in every aspect. For every question we ask, there is always a response.
Each student team had to partner with a real estate entity who offered a real building project for the team to work on. This was mandatory. What happened is that the students got excited about this real-life experience on a real project, and the industry got involved with the academia.
Tata has a dedicated team who interacts with us every time that we have a doubt, and they have helped us a lot. They are very efficient in their work and they are very professional. So yeah, working with a project partner has added a whole new dimension to our work.
They came up with different designs. They came up with different rationales on how to conduct and make the building efficient with respect to design efficiency.
These students learned about technologies, the science behind them. They changed their approach to building design to one of addressing climate change with each new building. And that's the innovation that is taking place.
Solar Decathlon India makes sure every student and every project partner actually realizes that net zero energy buildings are not only practically possible, but they're also affordable. It paves way to creating a net zero energy economy in the building industry.
This competition is unique in a way that it brings together people from different disciplines. It's a way to bring different perspectives, multiple perspectives, together to solve a problem that is of critical importance to India.
After 9 months of hard work put in by the students, it was their time to shine at the Design Challenge Finals. In spite of the second wave of the pandemic, the students were eager to present their projects to the world. This event was conducted virtually and watched on YouTube live by thousands of viewers.
It was fantastic being part of the whole jury process. It was great to see the kind of work the students put across. They've done some phenomenal work, going way beyond the scope of their curriculum and pushed boundaries.
The jury was humbled by the efforts of the students, and we were just exhilarated by the output and the end results. Truly, there are great times ahead for India.
I've been watching some of the work that is being done by student groups, and it is amazing. It is inspiring.
Some of these teams came up with some really interesting innovations with high market potential. We selected 9 such teams for lateral entry into a business incubation program by Climate Launchpad.
Climate Launchpad Business Incubation Hub is the world's largest green business ideas competition. We were looking for if the innovation was looking to solve a particular problem, whether it was a design solution, maybe it was a particular product in the way they might be using something, maybe it was a financial model, a different way of looking at things.
During the finals event, we had 28 companies who came to hire the finalist students as interns.
What we have seen in these 2 eventful days, it's a keystone on 9 months of hard work by students, faculty, and their partners.
The world needs leaders who will make the world a net zero ecosystem, more so now than at any other point in history. By participating in Solar Decathlon India, we believe you have already taken the first step in becoming that leader.
We look forward to a future in the hands of young people